Welcome to JCode Online. Today we are going to learn an intermediate piece to
Know your rights.
know your rights. This is the video's been a mirror for you. This is our left hand and this is our right hand. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do in this routine, it's all expressive. You're going by the lyrics, yeah? So the first thing you're going to do without the hands is you're going to point your knees to the left. And what you're going to do is you're going to go left, right, and then come out with your left to say what. And you'll see what I mean once we involve the hands. All right, it's just a simple walk. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, walk, out. Awesome. Now let's involve the hands. So with the hands, you're going to give me to your left by looking like boom. Then to your right, open up for what, bring it together and go dollars. And I'll walk you through the leg movements and everything so it all makes sense, yeah? So you're gonna go 5, 6, don't make sense. From here, bring it together and then jump out as if you're throwing money in the air and bounce. Bounce, bounce. That's awesome. Let's do that one more time. Slow. 5, 6. Don't make sense or dollars. Perfect. From here, you're going to kick your left leg out towards your right side. And your right hand is going to create this shape right here. And all you're going to do is you're going to go here and switch it to the step. Okay, from here, bring your right hand towards your mouth and float the left hand across away from your body. And as you're doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to go out with the knees, in and back out, and let the hand trail. You're going to go hands together, left step towards in. Then now step and bring your hands into plane, diagonal. Switch it again. And from here, drop it. Bring your left leg forward and go boom, click and click. What I want you to do is rock it. Click and click. Let's do that whole sequence real slow. So you go 5, 6, T, T, got, boom, boom, tap, 1, and here, and boom, tap, T, T, ba, ba, boom, tap. Perfect. Now let's do that with tempo. 5, 6, T, T, tap, 2, boom, tap, beep, beep, ba, boom, boom, tap, T, T, tap, tap, boom, ba. Perfect. Okay, so now you've ended right here on the double. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms out and you're going to float your body to the right side. You're going to go boom. And as your hands go across your chest, bring it down, come up almost like a prayer and bring your left leg up. From here, drop it backwards and go your hands towards your chest on in, boom, boom. You're going to hear it in the bass. You're going to hear bass, bass, bass. So one more time, and we'll do the basses. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass, 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 bass. From here, walk it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that whole thing real slow. 5, 6. Don't make sense or dollars. I ain't got no time to power. I just got off the plane from Ghana. 1 time, pop. Boom, boom, boom. Got yes, excellent. Let's do it. Tempo. 5, 6. Tick, tick, tap, doo, doo. Got, tick, tick, tap, doo, boom. Got, tick, tick, tap, tap, boom. Got, boom, 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 boom. And that's it. All right, let's do that with music. 5, 6.
2, 3. Okay? So when we're down low, it's any hands you want, but I'm just grabbing my pants. We're going right, left, then up, 2, for 3. Okay? So in the lyrics he says roll the dice, so that's why we're going roll 2, 3. Okay? So as we do this, we want to have this like sway to our body, and when we're up high, keeping that sway in the legs and the body. From that third one, you're going to hear 5 ticks in the music. Okay? So I'm going to teach you those 5 ticks from here. So I'm going to start with just the feet. So the feet go left, right, left, right, left. So getting down low on that last left one. Again, we go from here, left, behind, left, right, left. Okay? A little quicker with those feet before I teach you the arms. Ready, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, right, left. Yeah. Okay, so from here, with these hands, I'm going to teach you the arms. So we want to do this circular motion as we're doing those feet. We want to have that circular motion with our upper body and our arm going around our head. So I'm starting on the left side of my head. I'm coming around. I kind of have this like spatula hand. And I'm coming left side of my head around, circling to the right side of your head. Okay, so with the feet, we go left, right, and on the last step, you're just hitting that hand over to your right shoulder. From here, we're hitting down on the next layer, pay the price. So we're going to jump onto our right foot, and we're going to come here looking down at our right hand. I'm just slightly extending my left. Then on price, we're going to jump onto the left, and we're going to push our hands down, swoop up that right leg, slightly bent there. Okay, so it looks like this. From here, we go pay the price. Okay, so we're like heavy hitting that down. From here, our right leg is already up, and we're going to do 3 steps to the corner. We're going to go right, left. On the last right, we're going to hit with our upper body and our hands to that right corner. So we're going to stop there for a second. Let's take it back to the beginning of the chorus, and we're going to do it nice and slow. So from the chorus, we go hit and clap. Low, low, high, high, high. 5 ticks, we go left, right, hit, pay the price, right, left. Alright, let's try just the chorus tempo. You can rewind if you need to keep learning it, and then you can join us back to doing tempo. Alright, so from the chorus we go 5, 6, 7, and a clap, and a clap. 1, 2, roll the dice, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Alright, let's try just that section of that first part of the chorus with music. 6, 7, 8. Alright, so we just went 1, 2, 3 to the corner. From there he says take no advice. So these are totally your own arms. We're going to start stepping back on our left. This is a little bit slower. The feet are just left, right, left, and then we're just stepping to face front with the right. And we hold this position. Okay, so from here, we step left, doing any arms you want. Take no advice and forward. Good, that's nice and strong as we come forward. From here, we're going to step back on our left. We're going to go feel with that right arm, so left arm down to the right. Just showing you the hands for now. We're stepping back with the right, coming down our body, then stepping back with the left one more time, and coming forward to down. So from here, we're going to step back on our left, and I'm going to kind of body roll to the back. As I do that, I'm going to extend my right arm, and my left is going to slide down. Okay, so the vibe of this part with just the feet for now is stepping back with the left. We're going to go tap, tap, and step back with the right, then tap, tap, step back with the left. Okay, every time we're going to lift up that knee. yourself as you drop that hand, we're going to put our weight into our right and tap our left foot behind. And then for the fifth one, we're going to step on that left. Okay, so from here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So from here, a little bit faster. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so as you know, those 5 ticks are a little bit faster from before. So let's just try those 5 ticks a little bit faster. Ready from here? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 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 tap. One more time. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. Last little bit to finish off. We're gonna re-step onto that left. So we just finished that 5th tick. What we're gonna do is re-step onto it. I'm gonna roll my left shoulder forward, and that's gonna kind of knock my knee in. Boom. That's on a bass, okay? So it goes tick, 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 bass. It comes right away. So be ready right after that step to re-step on it. Okay, so after that bass, there's 2 more basses. We're gonna step out on the right, get low, and the left. And we're gonna jump back onto our left foot, boom, in front. Okay? But if you want, you can kind of end however you want. All right, we're gonna do the entire chorus nice and slow. Here we go. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, bounce and clap. Low, low, roll the dice. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit, hit. 1, 2, 3. Slow, slow, slow. Forward and feel. And down and up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bass, bass, bass. Go. Yeah. All right, we are gonna do just the chorus tempo, a little bit faster. Again, rewind if you need to keep practicing it. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, and hit, and clap. 1, 2, roll the dice, and tick, 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 tick. Oh, ha, tick, tick, ha. 1, 2, 3, up, and feel, and down, and hit, tick, 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 bass, bass, bass. All right, keep practicing, and then you can try the music with us. Here we go. Ready? 4, 5, bass, 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 hit. Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna start do from the top with tempo. Here we go. So we have 5, 6, and it don't make sense to ourselves. I ain't got no time to holler. I just got off the plane from Ghana. One time, boom, 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 boom. Hop off the flight. Roll up the dice, put it on the line. Pay the price.